Your cat knocks something off the table. You raise your voice, maybe you shoo them away. And a few minutes later, something strange happens. They sit nearby. They blink slowly. Maybe they rub their head against your leg like nothing happened. Most people think this means one thing. Cats don't care. But the truth is almost the opposite. Very often, your cat is actually trying to make peace. They just don't apologize the way humans do. Today, I want to show you a few quiet signals many cats use after tension or mistakes. Not loud gestures, not dramatic ones, just small behaviors that say something very simple in feline language. Let's be okay again. Once you understand these signals, you may start seeing your cat in a completely different way. 1. The quiet distance. Let's start with something many owners misunderstand. You scold your cat, and instead of running away or cuddling you, they sit across the room, maybe on the chair, maybe on the floor near the wall, and they avoid looking directly at you. To us, this can feel rude, like they're ignoring us. But in cat language, avoiding eye contact is actually a peace signal. In the animal world, direct staring means challenge, conflict, danger. So when a cat looks away, they're lowering the tension. They're saying, "I don't want trouble." Many cats will even stay in the same room during this moment. That part matters, because a cat that truly feels threatened usually leaves the area entirely. Staying nearby, quietly, is often their way of keeping the connection open, almost like sitting together after a disagreement. 2. The slow blink. Now here's a signal many people recognize, but few understand fully. The slow blink. Your cat looks at you, then slowly closes their eyes and opens them again. It seems small, almost nothing, but for a predator animal, closing their eyes near someone is a very vulnerable thing. In cat communication, a slow blink is often a sign of trust and emotional safety. Some behavior researchers even found that cats are more likely to approach humans who slow blink back at them. Think about that for a moment. Your cat closes their eyes, not to ignore you, but to show they feel safe enough to relax. When this happens after tension, it can be a gentle emotional reset. A quiet way of asking, "Are we okay again?" If you ever see this, try returning the slow blink. Just soften your eyes and blink slowly. Many cats understand that message immediately. 3. The head bump. Soon after a small conflict, many cats will do something very physical. They walk up and gently bump their head against you. Your hand, your leg, sometimes even your face. This behavior is called bunting. Cats have scent glands on their cheeks and forehead. When they rub against you, they leave a familiar scent behind. That scent says something important in the cat world. This is part of my safe place. So when your cat bumps their head against you after a tense moment, they may be trying to restore that shared scent, almost like resetting the relationship. Many longtime cat owners notice something interesting here. The head bump often happens quietly. No loud meows, no drama, just a gentle touch, a little feline version of "let's start over." 4. The follow-around. Another sign is even subtler. Your cat doesn't cuddle you, but they start appearing wherever you go. You walk into the kitchen. A minute later, there they are. You move to another room. Soon enough, they settle somewhere nearby again. Not right on your lap, just within sight. This behavior is sometimes called shadowing, and it tells us something about cat relationships. Cats may be independent hunters, but with the people they trust, they often choose proximity. After tension, a cat may stay close without forcing interaction. It's a careful approach, almost like testing the water. I'm still here, if you're ready. And many times, if you soften your voice or reach down gently, that's when they finally come closer. 5. The purr that feels different. Now let's talk about purring. Most people believe purring always means happiness, but cats also purr when they're stressed, hurt, or trying to comfort themselves. And sometimes they purr during emotional repair. You might notice this after you accidentally step on a paw or after a tense moment where voices were raised. Your cat approaches. They start purring, but their body language is calm and slow, almost thoughtful. Some veterinarians believe purring can help regulate stress and calm the nervous system. Not just for the cat, but sometimes for the human hearing it too. Many owners describe this moment the same way. Their cat walks up, purring gently, and suddenly the tension in the room fades. Almost like the cat is saying, "Let's calm down together." And here's the important part many people miss. Cats rarely apologize with big gestures. They apologize with presence, small signals, soft behaviors, the kind you only notice when you slow down and watch. 6. The gift that appears. Now sometimes the apology is a little more creative. You may find your cat's favorite toy near you, on your shoe, on your chair, or quietly placed beside you on the couch. Not every toy delivery means the same thing. Sometimes it's play, but other times, especially after tension, it's something else. In social animals, sharing resources is a powerful signal of trust. Your cat leaving something important near you may simply be their way of reconnecting. A small offering, a tiny olive branch in plush toy form. When you start noticing these moments, something changes. That indifferent cat suddenly looks very different. You see the slow blink, the quiet following, the gentle head bump, and you realize something many cat lovers eventually discover. Cats care deeply about the bond with their person. They just speak a quieter emotional language, one made of patience, scent, distance, and trust. I remember a cat owner who told me about a moment after she accidentally scared her cat while vacuuming. She felt terrible. A few minutes later, the cat came back, sat beside her, and slowly blinked 3 times. No cuddling, no meowing, just that soft blink. She blinked back, and the cat climbed into her lap like nothing had happened. Moments like that stay with you. So I'm curious about your cat. Has your cat ever done something like this after a mistake or a tense moment? Maybe a slow blink, a quiet head bump, or simply sitting nearby? Share your story in the comments. Your experience might help another cat owner understand their little companion better. And those shared stories are how we all learn the quiet language of cats.